Okay, they've been in for 40 minutes on 350 on the lower thing. Okay, and I'm just gonna take them off. Oh, nice and light. Yeah. There they go. All right, there you go. Let's hope that you can get it. I don't know what it is that is different. I did mention that I think I said 2 teaspoons of psyllium husk powder, and it was actually 5 tablespoons, not 5 teaspoons, 5 tablespoons. So it's exactly as the recipe said. All right, so hopefully you'll be able to remedy whatever it is. Okay, and I'll just show you what they look like on the other side, and they're firm. I don't want to press them in, but they're firm. Okay.